Welcome everybody. Welcome to my channel, So Why Don't You? I was lucky enough to receive this Joule personal cooking system. It looks like a jet boil, but it's electric. Let's unbox it. I'm super stoked to try to test this out. And I already took the directions out. Here it is right here. It looks, if you look at it quick, it looks just like a jet boil, except it's electric. You have 3 buttons on the bottom. You have drink, eat, and pop. And let's see, it has these non-stick rubbers on the bottom, so it keeps it from slipping. Has like a handle here so you won't burn yourself. It also has like a little jacket on it so you don't burn yourself when you touch the sides. It's going to be insulated. And I like this because you can just grab it from here, and if you wanted to pour, you can pour just like that. So we have a cord. Now this isn't 12 volt to a regular plug, and the cord is pretty long. This is where you plug it in the back right here. Oh, I forgot, you get a sticker too. This is stainless steel. Here's the lid, which is awesome. You have a pour spout. This is like a steamer, or if you're cooking pasta or something, you can pour the water out with the lid on it. Also has a center spout, because there's a stick that you can get. A stick, I don't want to call it a stick, but there's something that you can get, because this makes popcorn, that you put down the center and then you stir it while it's making the popcorn. But this thing actually fits on here really nice. There, so you can actually pour, you line it up. And it also has, you can see on the inside, it goes up to, let's see, 16 ounces or 473 milliliters. We're gonna boil 1 cup of water. So I already have it pre-measured. Just gonna pour it in there. So 1 cup, 8 ounces, 237 milliliters. I'm gonna take that plug and we're gonna put it right in here. It goes just like this. Make sure you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the big boy on. Just gonna have to plug it in. So the cord is actually quite long, which is nice. We're gonna have it on drink, because we're just boiling water. So we're starting a timer, just so you guys can see that. And we're off to the races. Do it with the lid on or the lid off. We're gonna do it with the lid off and just see how long it takes. And we're gonna also see how many watts it's drawing. So right now it's 494 watts. So a minute 54, you can see the steam coming off it. It boils, I'm gonna shut it off. It boils at about 3 minutes and like 42 seconds. And the sides get warm. Not hot, but warm. So on the lid, or the cover, you can see it's round and there's separate compartments here. Well, this is for oil and this is for popcorn. So we can make some popcorn. We're just gonna pour. There we go. I'm just gonna pour that right in here. And you're supposed to pour your oil into this spot right there. Go. I'm just taking some Trader Joe's, just adding a bit of salt. I just stir it to make sure everything's coated. Plus I want to see if it fits down that hole. So I'm going to take the lid and place it on. We're going to turn it to all the way over to pop, and we're going to hit start. I don't think it's going to fit. Yeah, it's too wide. Anything else to put down there. But you can buy as an accessory something that goes down there and will turn it. So this is pulling about 165 watts off and on, and I just heard a kernel. I'm going to take a peek without... Nope, I lied. So I just heard the first kernel pop. Oh, you hear that? Just stirring it. Just be careful removing this lid because you have some grease and also some steam, so just be careful doing that. I think that's done, so like I said... Whoa, okay. So maybe I put a little bit too much popcorn in there because it's coming out the top. Try our snack out here. Whoa. Whoa, okay. That is a huge serving. Holy mackerel. Wow. Cool. So it is hot. The sides are super hot. So yeah. Avocado oil isn't bad. So I'm actually going to play with this more. This is my first time using it, but I do I already have some uses that I would use it for. For example, sometimes when I go to a hotel, not really a hotel, a motel, sometimes they don't have a coffee maker in there. I would actually bring this in and do a pour over coffee at the motel. Also, I think it'd be awesome, I think it'd be nice, excuse me, like even with my Jeep Rubicon with the topper, if you're staying at like an RV park or something, instead of using your propane, you'd opt to use the electric, because you're paying for the electric at that place, just so you can save your propane for when you're boondocking or like off grid. I think that would be a good thing. Also, I think a lot of, like some of the newer camper vans and whatnot are moving more away from propane and gas fuels to cook and heat with. They're moving more over to electric. Not so much heating, because that's a lot of wattage. But I think like the induction cooktops and stuff like that. So the newer camper vans and stuff do have more power with them, more battery power and whatnot. So I think it's going to be great. Because I would use this to make oatmeal. I would use this for my pour over coffees. I would use this to heat up soup. May also make some water for those meal pouch thingies. Or I pick up those Indian food pouches. I really like those. I'd probably put those in there, warm them up, and put them right back in this blue bowl. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it.